In this video, we will update your server using a local drive and the Dell Lifecycle Controller. First, make sure the drive is formatted as FAT32 to be recognized by the Lifecycle Controller. Download the driver package you want to install from dell.com/support using the service tag of your system. Copy the files to the USB drive. If you have multiple update files, you need to go through this process for every file or include a repository file. You can create such a file using Dell Repository Manager, for example. Connect the USB drive to your server. Boot the server and press F10 to enter the Lifecycle Controller. Select Firmware Update on the left. On the right, click Launch Firmware Update. You can now select the location of your update repository, network share, FTP server or local drive, which can also be a virtual media if you use iDirect to connect to your server. We select local drive and click Next. In the next screen, you need to either type or browse to the location of the update package or repository file. On the next page, you can see which updates are found on the drive and select which should be installed. In our example, we only have one driver package. Click Apply to start the update process. After a restart, the system is updated and ready to use.